sometimes using strong, bold colors or colors outside your comfort zone can be a little intimidating. And here's a tip. For instance, this orange I've had in my stash for well over 6 months, and this is the first time I'm busting it open. Why? Because it's out of my comfort zone. So if you have a color that you're a little nervous about using, it's a great idea to try using it on a small project. Just as this, a build your confidence project. This project is building my confidence because, as I mentioned, I've never used this orange. It's called Florida Orange, and I was nervous about using it on a large piece of furniture, but I love it, and I am so happy that I tried it on this smaller cabinet. You're going to have to let me know what you think of this orange paint down in the comments down below. I'm very curious what your thoughts are on it.